Most people ignore this vegetable. They walk past it in the store, see the deep red color, and keep moving. They assume it's ordinary. It's not. And today, I'm going to show you how to turn it into something so powerful that you might start questioning why you ever spent money on expensive supplements, overpriced anti-aging creams, and half the pharmacy aisle. This is beetroot. Yes, that simple, underestimated beetroot. But when you combine it the right way, it becomes a natural restoration drink your body will truly thank you for. Beetroot supports healthy circulation, improves blood flow, and helps your cells receive more oxygen. And when your cells get more oxygen, you feel it. More energy, brighter-looking skin, better endurance, and that natural glow people notice but can't quite explain. But we're still missing one key ingredient: lemon. Natural vitamin C, immune support, skin support. And it helps your body absorb the nutrients from beetroot even better. Now we add ginger, and this is where everything levels up. Ginger helps activate metabolism, supports the immune system, helps the body fight inflammation, and creates that deep internal warmth that feels like your system just switched on. Beetroot plus ginger isn't just a combination, it's synergy. When these three ingredients come together, you get a drink that supports your heart and blood vessels, strengthens your immune system, helps your body recover naturally, improves the appearance of your skin, boosts energy levels, and reduces constant fatigue. And this works for both women and men, especially after 35 or 40, when the body doesn't recover as quickly as it used to. I drink it as a short course, and every single time I notice the same changes. I wake up feeling lighter, my skin looks fresher, my body feels clearer, stronger, more energized. And here's the surprising part. People spend thousands chasing anti-aging solutions while something powerful has been sitting in their kitchen the whole time. Now, pay attention. If you want the full recipe, the exact proportions, and the correct way to prepare this drink so it actually delivers results, go watch the full video. I attached it just for you right under this one. Click it, save it, and try it for yourself. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones.